To set up parental controls in POCO M8 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and enter additional settings. That way we'll be able to find parental controls right here. You can click on it and then make sure to click on agree, and after that we'll be able to set up our parental controls. Click on turn on, and after that you will see a password. So you need to create a password that will unlock parental controls features. So create your own custom password, and then you can enter your email address and retrieve the code from the message. That way you'll be able to restore your password in case that you forgot it. In this case, I'm going to click on Not Now. After that, you can select any apps that will be restricted in parental controls. It's not all of the apps here. In the next screen, we'll see them all. As you can see right here, you can enable or disable those apps. And now if somebody tries to access those apps, they will be locked with that password that we've just created. So if we enter the password, it unlocks, and then we can use this app. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.